Out of town, knows a good place for a boy to drown. They look at me so strange when I talk. I wish I was a tradesman, learning from some beat down old laymen. Some hillside they ain't named yet, sleeping next to mountain fire smoke. And everyone lately's scaring me. It's all backdoor deals and therapy. The only callous I've grown's in my mind. I wish I was a tradesman, playing with some tuned up tight string band, somewhere out by Badlands, way past closing time. So if you wanna trade, I'd say it's a hard-earned mile. Wanna sweat like hell, throw a hammer